At number 3, we have the Cuckoo CR-0675F. This rice cooker excels with its fuzzy logic technology that automatically adjusts cooking parameters based on grain type and quantity. This 6-cup rice cooker offers 13 versatile cooking modes, including options for white rice, GABA rice, porridge, and multi-cook functions for quinoa and oatmeal. The non-toxic non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning and durability, while the auto-clean steam function maintains hygiene without manual scrubbing. Its 12-cup cooked capacity makes it ideal for small gatherings, and the keep warm function maintains serving temperature without overcooking. The unit features a modern LCD display, precise measuring accessories, and a detachable inner lid for convenient maintenance. At 10.2 by 11.3 by 14.9 inches and weighing 10 pounds, it's reasonably compact for its capacity. The cooker includes practical features like an excess water drainage tray and preset timer function, backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty.